Today we're going to do an experiment about what things going sink and what things will float. Yay! It's water. Yay! Okay, so Aazeen and Anu will go to find the things that will going to sink and float. Yay! So you both gonna find the things. I will going to give you the basket. Okay? So you both going to find things. Okay? Okay. Aazeen, first tell me, how old are you? You're 3 years old? Okay. And Anu, how old are you? You're 2 years old. Okay. My little girl is going to find the things and do an experiment about sink and float. Okay? Let's gotta find it. Hold on. Wait. I'm going to give you the basket first. Okay? Hold on.
Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6, oh little 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 9.
What's that thing? Okay, very good. Come on. Okay, Aazeen, Anu, you came back. Yeah. Okay, what do you want to try? A potato? Okay. Okay, it will sink or float? It will float? Okay, let's see. Oh, that's sink! Hold on. No? No? Okay, Anu is not in the mood. Aazeen, you are going to try your teddy? Okay, do it. It sings! It sings! Yeah? Where is the teddy? Oh, it's under the water. Yeah. Okay. Anu, we're going to try next experiment. Wait. Anu, what do you have? It's a starfish? Okay. It will sink or float? Okay, do it. It's float! Very good. Hold on, Anu. Not. Okay, you put the panda inside. Okay. Tell me first, is that sink or float? Panda is sink or float? Float. Good. Okay, you're putting the glasses inside. Okay, tell me, is that sink or float? No, glasses is sink or float? Very good. Okay, you're going to put that toy. It will going to be sink or float? It will float? Okay, try it. Oh, very good. Yay. Okay, you try pop it? Okay. It will sink or float? It will also float? I think it sinks. It sinks. It sinks. Okay. What next thing you were going to try, Aazeen? Flower. Okay, try it. Oh, uh-oh. That's sink or floor? No, not floor. That flower is sink. Baby shark? Okay, tell me, that will sink or floor? It's floor. And orange? Okay, that sinks or floors? First tell me, it sinks or floats? Float. Good. That baby toy too? Okay. That toy sings the floor. Good. Okay, you're going to put that car. Wooden shape. Okay, that car is sings the floor. No? Then sing. Okay. No, tell me, what shape is this? Circle. Good girl. Okay, then sings the floor. Tell me what sings the floor. No. No. Aazeen, what? Okay, what shape is this? Square. Okay. Tell me first. Tell me first. Look at here. Is that sings the floor? No. That floor. Good. Okay. Wait. What shape is this first? Tell me. Star. Okay. Okay, that sings the floor. Floor. Hey, so Aazeen and Anu did a very good experiment about about things the floor. Okay, no, not that one. Okay, did you enjoy? Yeah. Okay, that's nice. Makeup. Okay, now you have to say bye. Bye, Anu. Bye. Okay, you guys both enjoy that water.